Welcome foodies! In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these low carb and sugar free keto chocolate peanut butter cupcakes. To start, in a large bowl you want to add 3 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 4½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to add 2/3 of a cup of granulated no-calorie sweetener, and I'm using a monk fruit sweetener. And then you just want to whisk that until it's well combined. If you are wondering where I get my ingredients and what I use in all my videos, I will link the video on the top right corner of the screen as well as in the description box below if you want to go check that out. Next, in a small bowl or measuring cup, you want to add 2/3 cup of almond milk, 6 egg yolks, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you want to whisk that together until it's well combined. Alright, now we're going to combine our wet and dry ingredients, so you can just pour your wet ingredients into the dry. I do about half at a time, and just whisk that together until it's well combined. Next, similar to my other videos, we will be making a whipped egg white to make the cake more fluffy. So in a bowl, you're going to add 6 egg whites, and these are from the 6 egg yolks that we used earlier, and a pinch of cream of tartar just to help the eggs get more fluffy. And then with an electric hand mixer or stand mixer, you can whip them up until they reach soft peaks. Alright, now we're going to combine our egg whites with our batter, and so you're just going to add the egg whites a little bit at a time, folding gently so that you don't remove all the air that we just whipped in. Now we're just going to be putting our batter into our cupcake pan. So I'm using a little ice cream scooper. You can also use a spoon if you want, or a measuring cup. Just evenly distribute. Next, you want to bake these at 350 degrees for 14 to 18 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Moving on, in a medium bowl, you want to add 2/3 cup of softened, unsalted butter and whip that up until it's nice and fluffy. And then you want to add 2/3 cup of smooth peanut butter. And then you want to mix that in until it's well combined. Now you're going to want to combine 2/3 cup of a no-calorie powdered sugar. If you want to know which powdered sugar I use, you can check the video in my description box. This is optional, but I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. To decorate the cupcakes, I'm going to be using some peanut butter chocolate cups. These are sugar-free. These are from the brand Lily's, and I also have used their chocolate chips in the past. These are pretty good. These are dark chocolate peanut butter cups. They're 6 in a pack, and I get these at my local grocery store. These next ones are called No Sugar Keto Cups. These ones are the chocolate peanut butter ones, but they also come in different flavors. I get these at Costco, and they're a little bit smaller than the Lily's ones by width, but they're still really good and pretty similar to the Lily's ones. And for the topping, I'm just going to cut these in half and use them on top of the cupcakes. So once the cupcakes have finished baking and cooled, I just put the frosting in a piping bag and cut off the tip. And I'm just going to frost one big dollop on top of the cupcakes. And then I'm just going to add one of those sugar-free peanut butter chocolate cups on top. And there you go, you're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!